Hey there, and welcome to today's edition of Daily Market Rundown, where we break down the key financial developments shaping the stock market and global economy. In today's session, we'll cover India's private sector slowdown in March as business confidence hits a 7-month low, potential AI partnership between OpenAI, Meta, and Reliance, Poonawalla FinCorp surge on AI-driven underwriting, and Meesho's blockbuster $1 billion IPO plans. Let's jump right in. India's private sector activity showed signs of slowing down in March as HSBC Flash India Composite PMI dropped slightly to 58.6 from 58.8 in February. While the index remains above 58 for the second consecutive month, business confidence hits its lowest level in 7 months due to rising competition and cost pressures. The manufacturing PMI improved to 57.6 in March from a 14-month low of 56.3 in February, while the services PMI slowed to 57.7 from 59. Rising inflation is squeezing manufacturer margins, with output price inflation at its weakest in 12 months. Hiring activity fell to a 6-month low, particularly in the services sector. Additionally, businesses are cautious about upcoming US reciprocal tariffs set to take effect from April 2. With weaker exports order and cost pressures mounting, businesses are taking a cautious stance, and the final PMI data in April will give more insights into the India's economic trajectory. Meanwhile, big giants like OpenAI and Meta are reportedly in discussions with Reliance Industries to collaborate on AI-related projects in India. This potential partnership could accelerate AI adoption in India as one of the world's fastest-growing digital markets. Reliance Jio may distribute OpenAI's ChatGPT in India and work on reducing its subscription fee, while Reliance also plans to host OpenAI models in India using its data centers, including a new facility in Jamnagar. Meta, on the other hand, is discussing AI-related collaborations with Reliance and may set up its first data center in India. Additionally, Meta and Jio are exploring licensing Meta's Horizon VR software to support Jio's VR device. With India's AI market projected to reach $17 billion by 2027, this partnership could reshape the AI landscape, enhancing infrastructure, local AI capabilities, and market penetration. In the stock market, Poonawalla FinCorp stock continues its strong rebound, surging nearly 4% on March 24 following the announcement of an AI-powered underwriting solution developed with IIT Bombay. This AI-powered credit evaluation integrates LLM and ML to enhance loan underwriting, and it is expected to improve credit managers' productivity by 40% in retail lending. The stock rally also coincides with promoter Adar Poonawalla's stake sale in Magma General Insurance to Patanjali Ayurved. With AI-driven innovations and restructuring moves, Poonawalla FinCorp is positioning itself for a tech-driven lending future. Wrapping up with a major development, homegrown e-commerce platform Meesho is gearing up for a blockbuster IPO aiming to raise $1 billion later this year. This company has enlisted Morgan Stanley, Kotak Mahindra Capital, and Citi as advisors. The IPO is expected to be valued at $10 billion, with the listing likely around Diwali. And Meesho's operating revenue jumped 33% to Rs 7,615 crores in FY24, while adjusted losses shrank by 97% to just 53 rupees crore. Orders surged by 35% year-on-year, with 50% of users coming from Tier 4 and smaller towns, and the company also raised $250 to $270 million earlier this year and filed for a reverse merger with its US parent company. Meesho's IPO signals strong growth potential and deep market penetration and a push towards profitability in India's competitive e-commerce sector. That's a wrap on today's market rundown. From India's private sector slowdown and the AI race heating up with OpenAI, Meta, and Reliance, to Poonawalla FinCorp's tech-driven surge and Meesho's ambitious IPO plans. There is a plenty shaping the markets. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know which story caught your attention.